in 4 weeks.
Okay. We haven't had any issues?
No.
Awesome. And I know last time you were saying he's doing stuff that he hasn't done in forever. That's awesome. I can see the smile on your face. That's great.
He still hasn't jumped on the table yet. That's about the last thing he needs to do.
Okay, man, we'll do one last thing, buddy. There you go. All right, take off.
Good job, big boy.
There you go.